Hello everyone, thank you for watching our video. In this video, we'll present the results of the needs assessment and usability evaluation on the NSF iCrops Hub Great Lakes Region website. This project is to help the client better understand the user's needs and any existing usability issues on the website. The iCrops Hub is a part of the National Innovation Network. It is an organization working on addressing the need for innovation education, infrastructure, and research. It delivers an immersive education that teaches researchers how to successfully transfer knowledge into products and processes. The website is where users can learn more about the information of iCrops and apply for the programs they offer. The target of the website are existing participants of the iCrops program, as well as potential participants who might be interested in the resources. These people are researchers and PhD students with STEM-related background. We conducted several pieces of research throughout the last 4 months. They can be divided into 3 stages. First, we built an interaction map to understand the structure of the website. Second, we carried out need assessment. In this stage, we focused on users' needs rather than the website itself. After doing interview, comparative analysis, and survey, we moved on to the last stage, usability evaluation. We made a heuristic evaluation and several usability tests to examine any issues from both experts and user side. For the interaction map, we walked through the website to see how different pages connect. We took screenshots and labeled connected pages with arrows to show the screen flow. From this map, we understand the pathways users can navigate through the website and apply to the programs. Our interviewees are divided into 3 groups. The first group is the iCrops affiliations. We interviewed the managers from the University of Michigan Center for Entrepreneurship who are in charge of the Great Lakes Region iCrops Hub website to learn more about their initial goals. Our second and third groups are focusing on users. We interviewed a no-voice user who is a biomedical engineering PhD student. And we also interviewed 3 former users, including 2 PhD students with different STEM backgrounds, and a company researcher focusing on electronic engineering. Using the data we collected from our interview, we developed 3 personas that represent different groups of users. The personas all have unique backgrounds of current academic levels, professional experiences, and research goals. Kara, a PhD student who doesn't have much time to search for information related to extracurricular programs. Selman, a startup company researcher who wants to turn his research into practice and see how things work in real life. Julia, the affiliation of the iCrops, aims to rebrand and promote the website. After detailed analysis of their goals and frustrations, we incorporated these personas into scenarios to help us understand how the iCrops website could better assist the actual users. For the comparative analysis, we discussed and selected 6 potential competitors based on Newman's taxonomy. By comparing the advantages and disadvantages of multiple dimensions, we dived into each of them and developed the following recommendations. First, we believe that adding photos and making the event list organized would be helpful to give a great user experience at the first glance. 5 of 6 competitors have that feature included. Second, we believe that setting an FAQ would help users avoid confusion. It will reduce the communication cost for both users and program managers. Third, providing customized content for subscribers is a common way to notify users of the newest event based on their interests. Last but not least, more information can be added to the Get Involved page to make sure its length matches with other pages. Moving to the survey, we collected 70 valid responses total, and the result indicates that people who lean towards industry rather than academia are more likely to participate. we found that users want to know details about programs, and the frequency of searching is higher when users actually plan to join a program. In order to identify usability issues with the website interface, we conducted a heuristic evaluation based on 8 out of 10 principles from Nelson Norman. To gain a deeper understanding of the problems that users face, 4 usability tasks were designed and focused on the key features. We recruited 5 participants who haven't used the websites before to do the usability test. From our research, we found that when searching for the programs, users are looking for detailed information. This is a ranking of the main content that users are looking for on the program page. Participants want to get an overview and outcomes, while the basic information, such as contacts, is their least concern. In order to help the users with program hunting and encourage them to apply, the website could add more essential information on each event page. One good way to achieve this is to develop a template with sections of timeline, expectations, outcomes, contacts, instructions for applying, etc., so that when new events are being added, all of the information would be available for the viewers. The result of usability tests shows that there could be some improvement in the navigation bar. First, all of the participants were confused about the Event tab on the manual and the Programs tab under the About drop-down list, since they eventually go to the same destination. When participants attempt to find success stories from previous users, they tend to go to the Blog and Resource tab. We were told that they intuitively thought the blogs should contain all the stories. In addition, the indicator on each web page is unclear. The indicator, which is a breadcrumb trail, is designed to show the path where users are. However, the indicator on the iCrops website doesn't exactly match the path that users have taken. It is causing confusion for the users since they may forget how they arrived at the current page. Moreover, the indicator is small and hard to see on the image background. Consistency is one of the most important factors for a good website. According to these 2 findings, we recommend iCrops rearrange the position of the breadcrumbs indicator and keep the word choices consistent in order to provide a more efficient experience for users while they are navigating through the website. Our last key finding is about the application form. First, there are some potential risks of losing or sending incorrect information. When users refresh the page, all the information they filled in will be gone. However, there is no alert to remind users what will happen when they click on the refresh button. And the input field lacks spelling checks, so people might send misspelled words accidentally. Second, there are some problems regarding the drop-down menu. Users tend to click it and hesitate for a while to find that they don't have to do anything with it, so it is actually a redundant step. Moreover, the list of universities is very long, and mobile users have to keep swiping to find their schools, which takes a long time. So our recommendation is to remove the program selection manual, and it would be good to have auto-saving and area checking features. In addition, enable keyword searching for the university list on the mobile site, just as what users can do on their laptops. These are the main issues we addressed in our research, but there are certainly shortcomings. Most of our participants are from the University of Michigan community. We believe the future research should acquire more users from outside of the U of M. In addition, the future research could evaluate the pros and cons of collaborating with other platforms. That's all for our research and presentation. Thank you for watching.